Hello students, in this video you will learn about more easy and interesting computer language called Scratch. Introduction to Scratch programming. Before starting the concept of Scratch, firstly we will discuss what is program and programming language. Any task that we perform includes various steps. For example, if you want to go to school, firstly you have to get ready, then you will take the bus, and after that you will follow that particular path or road, and finally then you will reach your destination. Like that, a computer follows stepwise instructions to complete any task, which is known as a program. Everything that a computer does from starting up to shutting down is done by a program. A program is also called software, which tells the computer what to do. The language used to write programs is called programming language. Scratch is a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music, and art. Scratch is basically designed for children to understand programming concepts. It helps in increasing the creativity and thinking. Scratch is very friendly and we can create interactive projects using Scratch programming. Starting Scratch. Click on the start button. This is your start button which appears at the bottom left corner of your screen. You have to click on it. Then choose the all programs. Click on Scratch 2. It should be installed in your system. Scratch window opens. This is your Scratch window. What are the main components of the Scratch? First, sprite. This is the sprite. Okay, sprite is a small graphic character that performs action in a Scratch project. Okay, so the default sprite in Scratch is the yellow cat, but you can change it according to your requirement. Next, stage. This is your stage. It is the main working area where the sprite moves and perform the action as per the given instructions. Script. This is your script. Okay, script is a collection of stepwise instructions that are given to a sprite to do a specific task. Next, the red button. This button is basically used to stop the project, and this green flag. The green flag button is used to run the program or project. So basically this is all about the introduction of Scratch. Thank you.